just coming in, getting in visuals of a fire that has broken out in the Ghaziabad industrial area. This fire broke out a short while ago, and this has broken out in the Ghaziabad industrial area. Mahima is on the phone line with me. Mahima, give us more details of what really happened.
Well, yes, the fire broke out in the industrial area at Ghaziabad. The fire that broke out in the cardboard factory in Kabinagar industrial area local of the Ghaziabad, which also caught the fire in several other factories nearby, and more than 10 fire tenders or the fire brigades are engaged in controlling the fire. So that is the latest update that is bring to you, that a fire that broke out in the industrial area was in a cardboard factory, which caught 10 other factories also. There at the spot, 10 fire tenders are there, and for more updates, we're still waiting that what actually caught the fire, that has to be ascertained yet.
Right, Mahima, give us a sense of what's happening there now. We can see on our TV screens, smoke bellowing out of this area. Give us also a sense of how many fire tenders have been deployed, and is there anybody who's trapped inside? Okay, we seem to have lost that audio connection with Mahima, but these visuals, of course, are coming to you from Ghaziabad, where a fire has broken out in the Ghaziabad industrial area. We are told that this is a cardboard factory, and the fire seems to have spread to nearby areas as well. Smoke can be seen bellowing out of this particular factory. We'll get you more details on this in just a bit.